Hello friends, this is Ankush Bhat with Catia tutorial number 20. In this tutorial, we will learn about the multi-path tool of the part workbench. On the left hand side, we have Catia V5 window, and on the right hand side, we have step-by-step instructions for the tutorial which you can write down. So let's start by creating a new file. Go to Start, Mechanical Design, Part Design. Give a file name to your file as I'm giving it Jimmy. So a new file with file name Jimmy has been created. This is the part workbench and these are the part tools on the right interface, bottom interface and at the top interface. This is the pad tool, and by clicking at the bottom arrow of this pad tool, we will get the multi-pad tool. Here, this is the multi-pad tool. So let's study about multi-pad tool by creating some sketches. Choose any plane from the part tree as I'm going with XY plane, or you can choose the plane from here also. Now select the sketcher tool to enter into sketcher workbench. This is our sketcher workbench. Let's sketch a circle and a rectangle. So multi-pad tool is used to extrude the sketches with different dimensions, as in the case of pad tool which we learnt in our previous video, that we cannot dimension the two sketches with different extrusions, as if I'm just changing the dimension, they both are being dimensioned with the same dimensions. Like you can see. But if you want to provide different dimensions, let's delete the pad tool. We can delete the tool or operation by just clicking on the operation and then just deleting it. So if you want to delete the sketch also, we can just go to delete aggregate elements, or if you don't want to delete the sketch, we can just switch off this option and click OK. So here we have the sketches. So as I was talking about the multi-pad tool, if we want to provide different dimension for our different sketches for extrusion, we can do that by multi-pad tool. Just click the bottom arrow. Here is the multi-pad tool. Select the multi-pad tool. Select the sketch. Now we can see that the sketches are being represented in the domain box. Here we have the sketch, the extrusion domain 1, the extrusion domain 2. Now by selecting the sketch here in the domain box and then providing the dimension, we can see by preview that our sketch is being extruded, and we can see that only individual sketch is being extruded. Or if we want to just extrude it from the other side, we can go to more, and then by giving the second limit, as we have learned about the first limit and second limit in our previous video, and by clicking on preview, we can see that we have extruded our first sketch and we haven't extruded our second sketch yet. And just by clicking on the second sketch here in the domain box and by applying the length and dimensions, we can extrude it with unique dimensions, the first limit, and now give the second limit if we provide it. So now just preview it. We can see that our two sketches are being extruded with different dimensions, and then click OK. So this is the difference between the simple pad tool and the multi-pad tool. Like with the simple pad tool, we can't provide different dimensions of extrusion for two different sketches or more sketches, but with multi-pad tool we can create or we can provide different dimensions for the different sketches provided in our workbench. I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.